Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. Let us continue with the chapter fractions. Today, our topic is addition and subtraction of like fractions. First, let us see the addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. To add like fractions, just add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Example, 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7. When the denominators are same, they are called like fraction. When we add like fraction, we need to just add the numerator. That means here 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7. We will just add the numerator first. 2 plus 4 by the denominator we write it as 7. So answer is 2 plus 4, 6 by 7 is the answer. What we have to do is that we just add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Another example, 8 by 21 plus 10 by 21. They are also like fraction. When it is like fraction, we need to just add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. So here we can write it as 8 plus 10 by 21. That is equal to 8 plus 10, 18 by 21. Okay. Another example, 1 by 17 plus 3 by 17 plus 5 by 17. They are like fraction because the denominators, all the denominators are 17. Here also, no matter how many fractions are there, we can directly add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. See, 1 plus 3 plus 5. We add all the numerator and write the denominator as it is 17. Now we can add all the numerator. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 17 is the answer. Next topic, addition of whole number and a fraction. Addition of whole number and a fraction. To add a whole number to a fraction, just combine the two elements. Example, 3 plus 5 by 8. Here 3 is a whole number and 5 by 8 is a fraction. When it is come like this, we just need to combine these two elements. 3 plus 5 by 8, we can write it as 3 5 by 8. Become a mixed fraction. Another example, 7 plus 2 by 5. Here, what will be the answer? 7, 2 by 5. Whole number, we write it as whole number itself, and fractional part, we write it as fraction itself. So, it become a mixed fraction, 7, 2 by 5. Another example, 18 plus 11 by 19. How we will write this? 18, 11 by 19. Next topic, addition of mixed fraction involving like fractions. Addition of mixed fraction involving like fractions involves 3 steps. Step 1, add the whole number. Step 2, add the fractional part. And step 3, add both. Example, 2 1 by 6 plus 1 4 by 6. Here both are mixed fraction. So what we have to do? First step is we have to add the whole number. Step 1, add the whole number. Here whole number is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3. Okay. Second step is step 2, add the fractional part. 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. What is the answer? Here it is like fraction. So we can add the numerator 1 plus 4 and write the denominator as it is 6. So answer is 5 by 6. Last step is add both. So step 3 is add both the answer. 3 plus 5 by 6. 3 is a whole number and 5 by 6 is a fractional part. So we just need to combine these two. 3, 5 by 6 is the answer for 2 1 by 6 plus 1 4 by 6. Example, 5 1 by 3 plus 6 1 by 3. No need to write the steps. You can directly add like this. See, here first you have to add the whole number. So 5 plus 6. Then you need to add the fractional part. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Then you need to add this both. So you can put here a plus sign. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Both the denominators are same. So you can write the denominator as it is and add the numerator. 1 plus 1, 2. 11 plus 2 by 3. One is whole number and the other is a fraction. When it comes like this, you can just combine this both. So answer is 11, 2 by 3. Another example, 11 10 by 19 plus 6 5 by 19. What you will do? First you have to add the whole number part. 11 plus 6. Then you have to add the fractional part. 10 by 19 plus 5 by 19. Then you need to add this both. So plus. Here 11 plus 6 is 17 plus 10 by 19 plus 5 by 19. Both the denominators are same. So you can write the denominator as it is. Then add the numerator. 10 plus 5 is 15. So here one is whole number and the other is a fraction. You just need to combine this. 17, 15 by 19 is the answer. Next topic, subtraction of like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. To subtract like fractions, just subtract the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Example, 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. 4 by 7 and 3 by 7 are like fraction since they are having the same denominator. As like addition, we just need to subtract the numerator and write the denominator as it is. See, 4 minus 3 by 7. We just need to subtract the numerator and write the denominator as it is. 4 minus 3 by 7. That is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 by 7 is the answer. Another example, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This we can write it as 3 minus 1 by 5. We write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 5 is the answer. Next question, 21 by 37 minus 12 by 37. Here also denominators are same. So we write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator. 21 minus 12. That is equal to 21 minus 12 is 9 by 37. This is the answer. Next topic, subtraction of mixed fraction involving like fractions. Subtraction of mixed fractions involving like fractions involve 3 steps. Step 1, subtract the whole numbers. Step 2, subtract the fractional part. And step 3, add both. Example, 5 2 by 3 minus 3 1 by 3. Both are mixed fraction. Here we are having 3 steps. Step 1, subtract the whole number. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Step 2, subtract the fractional part. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That is equal to, here denominators are same. So we write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. Step 3, add both. Always children used to mistake here, where in the third step they will subtract here also, but make sure that you need to add the answers. Always add step 1 and step 2. In addition as well as in subtraction, step 3 is add both the answers of step 1 and step 2. So 2 plus 1 by 3. That is equal to, while adding a whole number with a fraction, you just need to combine both. 2, 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Another example. 8 5 by 11 minus 3 4 by 11. First step is you have to subtract the whole number 8 minus 3. Second step is you have to subtract the fractional part 5 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Third step is you need to add this both. Children, please note, here you have to do the addition. Here is the place. Usually children make mistake. They will subtract here also. So please note it. Here you need to add. Okay. Now 8 minus 3, 5 plus 5 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Both the denominators are same. So we write the denominator as it is and subtract the numerator. 5 minus 4 is 1. Here it is addition. When it is a whole number and a fraction, we just need to combine both the elements. 5, 1 by 11 is the answer. Next question. 20, 11 by 13 minus 9, 8 by 13. First step, we need to subtract the whole number. 20 minus 9. Second step, we need to subtract the fractional part. 11 by 13 minus 8 by 13. Okay. Third step is we need to add the answer of both. So here we put a plus sign. Now 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 is 11 plus 11 by 13 minus 8 by 13. Denominator is same. So we write the same denominator. Then 11 minus 8. Answer is 3. Now 11 plus 3 by 13. When we need to add a whole number with a fraction, we just need to combine both the elements. So answer is 11, 3 by 13.
Now let's see a word problem. Question. Sonia jogged 7 by 9 km, walked 5 by 9 km and ran 3 by 9 km. How many kilometers did she travel in all? In the question, it is given how many kilometers she jogged, walked and ran. We have to find what is the total distance she travelled.
According to the question, we write kilometers she jogged is equal to 7 by 9 kilometer. Kilometers she walked is equal to 5 by 9 kilometer. And kilometers she ran is equal to 3 by 9 kilometer. We need to find how many kilometers she travelled in total. Okay. So we write. Therefore, kilometers she travelled is equal to, what we have to do? We have to add all these kilometers. 7 by 9 kilometer plus 5 by 9 kilometer plus 3 by 9 kilometer. This we can write it as, here all are like fraction because all are having the same denominator. So we write this denominator same. Now we can add all the numerator. 7 plus 5 plus 3 kilometer. That is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 9 kilometer. Therefore, total distance she travelled is 15 by 9 kilometer.